7:20 in the morning. Gonna get some Starbucks. Good morning. It is our day 3. It's 7:20 in the morning. We would have done this yesterday, but we were all a bit tired. But I'm gonna head to Starbucks. There's a Starbucks at the hotel, so I'm just walking there now. Get us some breakfasty bits and some coffee. Then we're gonna head for the extra magic hours, the extra hour that we get in the morning over at Disneyland Park. We all slept a lot better last night. My eye is a lot less red. Might even venture some mascara today. But yeah, it's raining a bit again, which isn't fun. I don't know whether the fireworks went off last night or not, but I think we made the right decision for us. So when you've got small kids, you just gotta do what's best. We didn't want to hang around with nothing much to do and then find that they were cancelled, so I think we made the best decision. So I'm just gonna go grab some Starbucks and we'll have another fun day. We have a massive hit list today, so hoping to get through them. Let's hope the wait times are low and that the rain stops. It's still a bit rainy, so we've got the rain cover on the pram. Honestly, this double pram is such a workhorse. It's the Joey Twin Air, and even though Eli can walk relatively well, it's just, I wouldn't come to Disney without it until he's like, I don't know, 6 or something, because it's just a lifesaver. So we're walking to the park now, and it's, yeah, a bit rainy, but hopefully it'll get better. It should do. So for the extra magic, you come in the side entrance rather than out the front, and then come down here. So I didn't know, Adam knew, and kind of enter through the side. So there you go. You're waving! Adam's gone. Adam's gone. Something about Eli interacting with the with Mickey Mouse. Gets you every time. We're heading straight for Buzz Lightyear. Yeah, people go on Orbitron, which is running, I think. It goes up, it's a bit like the Dumbo ride. We're going straight on Buzz because it's a very low wait, I think. What's it posting? Adam's just back in the stroller. And wait. It's posting 5 minutes.
Pendant que vous autres vous concentrerez sur les robots. Vous vous retrouverez sur la planète Z. Quant à moi, je resterai ici à Star Command pour commander la mission.
That was walk-on, so that was good. Eli really wanted to ride that one. I got... Which alien did I get?
I got that red one.
Did you? So the boys are going back on Buzz Lightyear so I can go on Hyperspace Mountain, which is just across from it, because that's posting a 5-minute wait at the moment. So we're going to try and maybe do 3 buzzers so that me and Adam can both ride this. May as well if it's 5 minutes. Another walk on. That's so cool, I love it. And for those wondering, I always wonder this, I left my glasses on and I was fine, because that one I think it has some like kind of upside downy loops, but totally fine, didn't fly off. I always panic about my glasses, but they were absolutely fine. Yeah, now it's Adam's turn. Orbitron in the rain. We are all soaking wet. It's raining. Waiting for Peter Pan in the rain.
I'm gonna get off this ride. I'm gonna...
morning of like picking a few things off in Fantasyland. So Peter Pan, Snow White, we've met Mickey, and now it's time for some lunch before we try and get to the parade. We missed the 11 o'clock one because we wanted to see Mickey, and he was quite a wait. It was about 60 minutes. We've kept track of all the time, so I'll put them in a trip somewhere. But yeah, now we're gonna go get a Mickey-shaped pizza. So we're gonna go for 2 of that one, the menu 2. The sun has come out for the parade. Adam is in full Disney dad meltdown. We had that pizza, that was quite nice. I think €16 for like the little meal deal. That was very good. And we are just in the hub waiting for the parade. Just fun. Hot-footing it into Walt Disney Studios because we have an appointment to meet Spiderman. Very excited.
Daddy, look! Look at Malcolm!
Yeah, you just gave her a high five, didn't you?
Go see him! Go on! Go see Spidey, go see him!
Go on in!
Go on in! Go on in!
Alright, looking good, dude. Nice to meet you. What's your name? What's your name? You know, the next part of the training, we're going to do some web swing. The web swing is perfect. And how do you land? I land? Like that. How do you land? I thought it might be...
That was so cool. We will show you on the app kind of where to find to book to do that, because we didn't know that that was something you had to do. But we talked to some people, really cute, and they'd done it yesterday, so they were talking about how to do it, and we did it. So yeah, you just queue up a little bit and it's like a virtual queue, and then you queue up for 10 minutes or so and you go through and see Spidey, so super fun. Just gonna head back to the hotel for a couple of hours before going back in the park. It's warm. Really, really warm. So Hotel Cheyenne has a few different little gardens, and this is the vegetable garden.
Those are like chilies, I think. Or peppers of some kind.
Some aubergines, lots of flowers, strawberries maybe? It's cute. Is that a funny spiky tomato?
Tomato, yeah. Mummy, he's found a ladybird.
Found a ladybird?
Yeah, look.
Good spot. You're gonna get a brain freeze.
I didn't
I'm gonna
untap
get a
this
brain
yesterday.
freeze.
I should do it, shouldn't I? Get my Disney Untapped scores. No, cheers for your free.
It wants what? Some water?
Yeah.
I think it's got plenty, it lives on it.
Tell you what I saw off the side of the Molly Brown. A mallard with about 8 babies behind it.
Did you? We're heading back to the parks now for the evening and our third attempt at fireworks.
Where do we get so far?
It's the wrong
I
way.
want to go back to the park.
Where do you want to go?
I just want to go and look at the statues and look.
Oh, actually, we're going to go to Hotel New York
Yeah, we're going to go to Hotel New York.
and see what's in there.
See what's inside there. You know where the statues are of Captain Marvel?
We might see about having a drink there or something.
Oh, aye.
We're going to take a little look in Hotel New York, the art of Marvel. We looked at staying here, didn't we? We looked at the prices and quickly didn't look at this hotel to stay at. We switched to a value hotel instead. It's quite pricey. I mean, it looks amazing, but yeah, not for us right now. One day. Oh wow, I can see a big ghost Spidey. Eli. Look at them. Hey. Very cool. So there's Bleecker Street there and the Skyline bar over there. We just looked inside, people seem to be enjoying a quiet drink, so I don't think we'll be going in there with our two screamers.
That's a war machine. Yeah, should we do the other side? Doctor Strange. That's Mysterio.
So I think on every floor from a vlog that we watched, there's like different theming. So every floor has different characters. But this is just in the ground floor area. It's really cool. There's also Spiderman down there. I love the styling, it's amazing. It's proper like on point. Art Deco? Art Deco is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Doctor Strange. And what about that one?
Some like cool Iron Man suits. Well, they're just the different generations, like when he was building the suit, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like, well, they're all the same. Gonna take a quick look in the shop.
Thor's hammer. Iron Man's with
Thanos.
Infinity
Stones.
Stones.
Yeah?
So hot and tired. Where? That's Captain America, and that's Iron Man as bookends.
Look at that lounge fly.
Yeah?
Is it even, it's not a lounge fly, it's like a lounge fly cup. Oh, that is a lounge fly.
Can you see whose helmet's that above? Why is Spiderman's a whole euro less? That's why. So that's Black Panther. That's Black Panther, that's a different helmet.
This is such a cool hotel, even like the lobby area, just to come and have a look around. So if you are walking past, definitely come and have a look. So cool. Yeah. Down there you've got the Manhattan restaurant and the downtown restaurant. I mean, we're not going to be eating here, but maybe one day when we come back, when Eli reliably eats a full meal. It's a little look at the Manhattan restaurant menu if you want to pause it and take a look at the prices. So that looks a really cool hotel. What did you think?
Looks very cool.
I would stay there. They've got a pool as well that goes like inside and outside. But yeah, it's very expensive. Definitely a treat hotel. Maybe we'll come for our 40th without the kids. They also have these really cool veranda rooms that are straight out onto this area, which look quite cool. Sit out there on an evening. Is it a bird? Is it a bird?
Yeah.
Go get the bird. We just nipped into the Lego store on our way back to the park. How cool is all this Lego for the kids to play with? Eli's just digging in. Are you gonna make it, bud?
I'm making a map.
Oh, cool. This is really cool. This is such a cool Lego store. They've got a make your own minifig where you can put your own design on the minifig bodies, I think. And so much stuff that I've not seen in our other Lego stores. So cool. Back in the park, it is still so hot. It's 28 degrees and it's like 7 o'clock. So it's a very hot weekend at Disneyland Paris. We're going to try and get some food and then just hang around a bit, I guess, until fireworks. Adam's taking the boys for a bit of a walk around the park and I'm going to go on Star Tours on my own. So it is now 9:30 and both boys are finally napping. We might make the fireworks after all. It's too late for fireworks when there's kids involved. I mean, I understand why it's not dark, but it's intense with 2 small children and every other kid in the park is having a meltdown as well. Oh. We are hanging out on the curb on Main Street to get a spot for the fireworks. It's 10 o'clock now. Both boys are still asleep, so we thought we may as well head over here and sit and relax a little bit. Might go get some snacks. Yeah, we've got an okay view when the time comes. Yeah. What? So tired. It's so late for fireworks. Like, what are they in Florida when we go? We go normally in October. 9 o'clock. I think 9 o'clock. And that's feasible. This is late. It's late for us, never mind the kids.
It's just begun.
Eli!
Guarda, guarda, Mommy, don't hold my arm.
No, I can't. Cioè, secondo me tenerla in spalla.
Mommy!
Cioè, non ho capito.
Wow. Oh yeah?
Look, the second star to the right. It can take you to Neverland